Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. Y'all, we got a lot to talk about this morning. First of all, I want to tell you about a couple of upcoming videos that you really should not miss. I've got one coming at 9 o'clock this morning. Be sure and watch that video. Also, I've got one scheduled to come out at 12. By all means, watch that video. I'm feeling generous and I'm giving away some money. So, y'all be sure and watch that 12 o'clock video. I'll tell you how you can get some of it. Y'all, I'm sure you've heard by now. I made a video about it last night just as soon as it broke. Donald Trump did go to Walter Reed Hospital for COVID treatment. He is doing good. He walked out on his own accord. He waved to everybody. He looks fine. I mean, as fine as Donald Trump can look. But the man is sick and he's needing medical attention. Please say a prayer for him, and I don't need any more negative comments like I had last night. They was very rude. Whether you like him or not, he's still a human being, and even more than that, he is still our president. Please say a prayer for him. Okay, the video at 12. Please watch that video. You're going to get some money. You're going to win some money. I mean, and you're going to win it now. Plus, I'm also talking about the 100,000 subscriber contest that I got. But in that video too, I'm also giving away some money like today. I want you to go take a chance at it. Okay, the things that we know in the stimulus package when it happens that are safe is the stimulus checks and the unemployment. We know those things are safe. Both sides wants them. The House voted on the stimulus bill and it was passed in the House 214 to 207. But the Senate said they won't even vote on that stimulus bill because it's just too expensive. The Republican says that the cost of the package has to be reduced. That would be easy if Crazy Nancy would take out all of her pet projects. The funding for cannabis needs to come out. The illegal workers funding needs to come out. I refuse to call it undocumented workers because they're illegal. They're breaking a law, and then we're supposed to pay them. Take out the SALT tax. Take out the arts and humanity funding. This would bring it more in line, but Crazy Nancy refuses to budge. She wants it all her way. She does not care anything about the American people. Nancy did say yesterday that her and Steve Mnuchin are still talking, and a bill will be passed, but they have to work out the language in that bill. I mean, come on now. They've had 6 months to do this. They ain't been able to come up with anything yet. Y'all, we're talking about the giveaway that I'm having. I got a giveaway coming when we reach 100,000 subscribers, and we're not that far away. I believe by Christmas would be very easy to do this. We're about 20,000 people away. The channel is only 4 months old, and see how far it's gone. And I don't think it's going to be that much longer. We're going to reach 100,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to this channel and you're watching a video, please subscribe. You got a chance to win money. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, I will have a $1,000 giveaway. Every day for 10 days, we're going to have $100 giveaway to one lucky person every day. Okay, and like now we've got this contest going. Go watch that video at 12 o'clock. You can win some money like now, and it's going to be good, and it's going to be easy, and it may be a little fun. I know everybody can use a little extra money. Also too, I want to start doing random giveaways on this channel, whether it be money or items, physical items. Maybe every 2 weeks I will do a giveaway. I may even do it every week. Y'all let me know what you want to do, but it's time for me to start giving back to my community. Y'all have given me so much. You have blessed me more than I could ever dream. Y'all have had many YouTube channels, and this is by far the biggest one I've ever had. Nothing has even come close to this, and it's all because of you. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and the best way to do that is to give back. You have given me so much. Y'all, please watch that 9 o'clock video. It's going to teach you a lot of stuff about YouTube. How to grow your YouTube channel and get more subscribers. It's very easy to do. Follow those tips that I'm giving you at 9 o'clock this morning, and then also come back at 12 o'clock and watch that money giveaway video. And be sure and notice the thumbnail too that's on that video. Y'all, we know that stimulus check is safe on the next stimulus package. Whenever it happens, we don't know. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin is hinting towards the fact that it's coming pretty soon. Of course, they've been doing that for 6 months and still nothing yet. But we do know the stimulus check is for $1,200 for all filers, and it is $500 for all dependents. And this time it's going to be all dependents. Last time some dependents didn't get it. Also, it's this time if you owe back child support, you're still going to get that check. If banks can garnish your check last time, they won't be able to do it this time. The unemployment, we know Nancy Pelosi is asking for $600 a week. The Republicans are wanting $400 a week. I believe with the money that they're getting already from unemployment and that $400 and the stimulus check that's coming, I think that's fair for right now. At least until we can, let's get this passed and then we'll work on more. Nancy Pelosi don't understand that. Y'all, the thing with President Trump that really worries me, right now he is strong. What if he really does come down sick? Mike Pence will have to take over, and that's not a bad thing. But then President Trump's family has been with Mike Pence's family. Now, there's a chance that Mike Pence could come down with it. If he does and he's incapacitated, you know who's our president. That's not a pretty picture for America. Nancy Pelosi in charge of everything? No, we don't need that, y'all. Y'all, please say a prayer for President Trump. Say a prayer for all of our leaders, including Nancy Pelosi, including the Mooch Man. Ask God to heal their hearts and heal their minds and make sure that they do what's right. Y'all, we can get through this with God's help. Y'all, please watch the video that's going to be popping up on the screen in just a minute. Y'all, go watch that video. I think you're going to get something out of it. And please leave your comments on that video as well. Y'all, I do love you all. And don't forget, 9 o'clock, I got a money-making video. And also at 12 o'clock, I got a video about how to get some of my money, like today. I know you can use some money, and those videos is not pushed out by YouTube very much, so you got a good chance of winning. It's not as many people goes to those videos. So check that 12 o'clock video out. Take a chance on some money, and just know I love y'all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. I love you all. Ciao.